Groundworks Tribe, this may come as a shock, but the world isn't lining up to hand you a victory. Fortunately, you didn't come here for a handout. You came here because you have more to give. You came because you can become a hero. Now, I'm not talking about the ones you see on TV. I'm talking about real heroes. The ones that go the extra mile to do what's right, not what's easy. The ones that commit to being the best they can be. And the ones that put others first. The ones that make a difference in their teams and their communities. And the ones who inspire others to become better. You prove that greatness is possible. And that those obstacles can be used as a step to go higher. Heroes write their own stories. They make their own path. They earn their own victories. So rise up, forge a path towards greatness, and be the hero.